In this video, we will see how to implement MVVM with MVVM Toolkit in .NET MAUI. We will unravel the intricacies of MVVM and demonstrate how the MVVM Toolkit in .NET MAUI empowers developers to create robust, responsive, and easily maintainable cross-platform mobile applications. Join us on this enlightening journey as we unravel the secrets of mastering MVVM in the context of .NET MAUI. In this step, we will create a view and update the design in the XAML as per our requirement. Next, we will create a view model that inherits from the observable object class. This inheritance is pivotal because observable object implements the iNotify property changed interface. By doing so, we gain the ability to trigger the property changed event, a vital mechanism enabling the notification of property value changes to subscribers, primarily the UI. This synchronization is fundamental for effective data binding, ensuring seamless coordination between the user interface and the underlying view model. When we use the observable property attribute, properties can send automatic alerts when they change. This is important for connecting data and updating the user interface UI when properties change. When you apply the observable property attribute to a property, it does a lot of necessary coding work behind the scenes. It sets up the code needed to tell other parts of the program when a property changes. This attribute saves time because you don't have to write all this code manually. For example, _description, _name, produces description, name, respectively. The I command implementation is a way to connect methods or actions in the app with what the user sees on the screen. For instance, it can create a command called save command that's linked to the save method. This linking is crucial for making sure that when a user does something, like clicking a button, the right action happens in the app. Here, we connect the UI elements to the view model properties using data binding expressions. This connection enables the view to show and modify task data in real time, ensuring a dynamic and responsive user experience. This automatic synchronization simplifies UI updates and eliminates the need for handling events manually. The created view and view model should be added in MAUI program.cs like below. You can download the code from GitHub. If you have any doubts, feel free to post a comment. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech videos.